Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep squirrels out of your yard. This video will take you through the most humane ways to keep those strays away and stop them from digging up your garden. So stick around for the best tips. First off, eliminate sources of food. You can be feeding squirrels without even realizing it. They might wander around your yard daily because squirrels are opportunistic feeders, and they will take advantage of any food source they can find. So removing or securing potential food sources could help deter them from visiting your yard. Here are a few ways you can eliminate food sources: cleaning up fallen fruit and nuts, securing garbage cans, storing pet food indoors. Install squirrel-proof bird feeders. Although it's well known that squirrels raid bird feeders, there are feeders made to keep squirrels out. Look for bird feeders with baffles, weight-activated perches, metal cages, or other squirrel-proof features. Use squirrel repellents. There are a variety of squirrel repellents available on the market. For example, scent-based repellents like peppermint and ultrasonic repellents. These products emit scents or sounds unpleasant to squirrels and may help them keep away from your yard. You can also use visual repellents like fake owls to scare them away. Cover gardens with netting. Squirrels love to dig up bulbs and munch on fresh produce, so covering your garden beds with netting such as hardware cloth or chicken wire, among others, is an effective way to keep them out. Use stakes or rocks to hold the netting in place, or bury the edges of the netting in the soil. Additionally, ensure that there are no gaps or holes in the netting where squirrels could squeeze through. Trimming tree branches and fencing. Trimming back tree branches close to your home or bird feeders can make it more difficult for squirrels to access such locations because they are adept climbers and jumpers. Seal up entry points. Seal up any gaps or holes in the exterior of your property, including vents, pipes, and roof lines, as squirrels may get through surprisingly small openings. Use a durable material that can withstand the squirrel's attempts to chew through. You can use steel wool, sheet metal, or caulk. So there you have it. Squirrels can be annoying, especially when they turn your yard into their litter box. However, dealing with unwanted squirrels on your property doesn't have to include violence. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.